Hola y bienvenidos. Welcome back. Welcome back because hopefully you've already watched the course tour video. If you haven't watched that, pause this video, go watch the course tour video that's under start here, then come back and watch this video. If you have watched it, then welcome back. So, like I said in the other video, every module, we will have the dates for the module, and then we'll have readings and resources and assignments. Modules 1 and 2 are a little bit different because I know we're still getting set up. Some people are still registered for the class. You're still getting your textbook. So the readings and resources for modules 1 and 2 are actually going to be the same. So under the readings, there's textbook pages, and under watch, there's watch videos, and under listen, there's listenings. But if you don't have the book yet, don't panic because the assignments that need those materials are really due in module 2. But as soon as you get the book, you want to start, and you want to start going over this stuff. But the assignments for module 1 are all just sort of setup and introduction assignments, and you don't need the book yet. So as you're getting the book, you can still do these anyway. Now, because this is a fully online course, you must do the module 1 assignments to establish your attendance in the course. If you don't establish your attendance in the course, the registrar will automatically drop you from the class, but you still have to pay for the class. So even though you might see that like the discussion board doesn't look like it's in the grade book, if you don't do it, you will be dropped from the course. So you have to do these module 1 assignments. They're all in English for module 1. The discussion board, you're just going to introduce yourself in English. You need to answer those questions. All of the discussion boards are in English, actually. The first post is due Wednesday, the 15th. And then you need to respond to at least 2 classmates by Sunday. The first speaking assignment is just to make sure you understand how to upload speaking assignments using the record audio button in D2L. So that one, again, can be in English. You're just going to say, hi, introduce yourself. We just want to make sure that your audio is working. And I'm going to listen to it, and I will give you back a comment either like, yes, your audio is working, or something's wrong, I couldn't open your assignment. The academic integrity policy, you need to just agree that you're not going to use ChatGPT for every assignment or Google Translate or whatever. Don't take the class if that's your intention. That's not the point of taking a class. The first quiz, again, is just to show you how the quizzes work. It's just going to be about like the calendar and stuff, like how many assignments do we have, when are certain assignments due. So just make sure you open the calendar and look through the start here information before you open that. The first homework packet, so all of that's due January 19th. The first homework packet is due January 26th, which is the end of module 2. The first homework packet does have stuff from the textbook. So make sure that you start working on that, even though it's not due, because there's going to be more stuff due in module 2. So start working on it as soon as you can, but don't panic if you don't have the book the first week. Then when we go to module 2, like I said, the readings and resource, everything, this is the same. But then the assignments are these are now in Spanish and based on the readings and resources. So the second homework packet, just like the first homework packet, you have unlimited attempts. You can do it as many times as you want before the due date to get the grade that you want. The first speaking assignment, you're going to answer those questions in Spanish. So like you're going to spell your name and stuff in Spanish. And then the first quiz, the first real quiz is the module 2 quiz, and that once you open it, you have to finish it, and you only get 1 attempt. So don't open it until you've gone through all the resources and you're really ready to take it, and that will be about the content. Yeah, so that's it for modules 1 and 2. After that, every module will have its own, resources. Like I said, the modules 1 and 2 are just kind of combined because we're still getting set up and registered. On that note, please make sure that you subscribe to announcements. I post announcements a couple times a week. A lot of times will have information like about the content, about the due dates. So make sure that you're getting all of the announcements either as text, email, whatever you want to get them as. And make sure that you're able to log into the course several times a week. That's it. Email me if you have any questions. Y nos vemos pronto. See you soon.